WpResidence gives users a complete front-end experience with their own dashboard, property submission, and a built-in CRM to manage leads. The user dashboard is where everything happens. Agents, agencies, developers, or regular users can update their profile, add new properties, manage listings, check invoices, and see their leads. Site admins can decide which dashboard pages are available for each role. Adding properties can be done in two ways. From the Add Property page inside the dashboard, once the user is logged in, or from the Public Property Submit front page. Here, anyone can start filling out a new property, and at the end of the process, they'll create their account. Once registered, the property is attached to that account. The submission form supports images, videos, virtual tours, floor plans, and custom fields. You can set which fields are required, how many images can be uploaded, and whether new submissions go live automatically or need admin approval. Location fields also support autocomplete or drop-downs, depending on your setup. Agents, agencies, and developers each see only the leads connected to their listings. Agencies can also view the leads of their agents. The CRM includes statuses for leads and contacts, like new, in progress, or closed, so you can track the stage of every conversation. For even more power, WpResidence integrates with HubSpot CRM. Just add your API key in theme options, and every lead is also sent straight to your HubSpot account. Agencies or agents can even add their own HubSpot keys to connect their leads directly. And this works with MLS imports too. Inquiries on MLS properties are saved in the same CRM system, so no leads are lost. Notifications are also built in. Users receive email alerts when their listing is approved, edited, or about to expire, while leads generate instant emails to the assigned agent or agency. Together, the dashboard, property submission, and CRM create a complete system. Agents can manage their business from the front end, clients get a smooth way to connect, and site admins keep full control, all inside WpResidence.